Welcome to 6380 Apperson Drive in Noblesville, a charming 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath single-family home offering about 1,400 square feet of comfortable, modern living in Hamilton County. Inside, you'll notice the open floor plan connecting the living and dining areas. The layout feels bright and functional, making everyday living and entertaining easy. The kitchen offers modern finishes and comes fully equipped with a refrigerator, dishwasher, microwave, oven, washer, and dryer, everything you need for a smooth move-in. A convenient half bath is located on the main level, perfect for guests and daily use. You'll also find access to the garage, providing secure parking and extra storage space. Upstairs, the primary bedroom features its own full bathroom and large windows that bring in plenty of natural light, creating a bright and relaxing retreat. Just down the hall is the laundry room, conveniently located on the same level as the bedrooms. A second full bathroom serves the additional bedrooms, keeping mornings simple and efficient. The second bedroom is spacious and versatile, perfect for a guest room, home office, or kids' space. The third bedroom offers even more flexibility to fit your lifestyle. Back downstairs, the living area ties the home together with a warm, open feel that's easy to make your own. Located just minutes from downtown Noblesville, local dining on Connor Street, Forest Park, and the White River Greenway, this home offers comfort, convenience, and a great location. If this feels like the right fit, schedule a tour today and come see 6380 Apperson Drive in person.